So some of you have watched our facelift video and you know that I promote 3 great serums. Our Royal Ultimate Serum, which is amazing. It's my favorite serum for the evening and for when my skin needs a bit of repair work. It is the Royal Ultimate, and it has DMAE and CoQ10, and it is an amazing serum I use every single evening prior to using my night cream, which is great. And then I also use it occasionally when I'm traveling and when my skin needs a bit of a pick-me-up, a pick-me-up, and it is amazing. So we're putting this great, crazy bundle together for you today, these serums that I love. We do promote them as post and pre-op treatments for serums to make your skin rejuvenate itself and heal itself and prepare itself for any facelift that you're doing. But today, I forgot to tell you, this is what I use every day. It doesn't matter whether you're having a facelift, doesn't matter anything. This is what I use every day and every week. So that's our ultimate. And then you want to brighten up your skin and regenerate it. So we have our Royal Regeneration Vitamin C Serum, which is just fabulous for brightening. Oh, love it. There it is. And please don't forget that every single purchase that you make goes towards conservation efforts in Southern Africa, saving ellies, saving leopards, saving rhinos, just near and dear to our hearts, that every single one of our products also saves wildlife, and that's really great. So we've got our vitamin C, which is great. So I'll use the Ultimate, I'll use the vitamin C, and finally, my one and only Rooibos serum that is produced. The Rooibos is produced in South Africa. Our marula oil, our baobab oil, our Kalahari melon seed oils all come from South Africa. And of course, we have our royal jelly that comes straight from the queen bee. So if you're feeling like a queen and you want some of the things that she needs to make her the #1 in the hive, that's our royal jelly. And that comes in all 3 of our serums in this bundle, which is crazy great. And as you guys know, I'm gonna be 63 this year, and my skin looks amazing. And to a large extent, it's because I use EllieGlow products, particularly our serums. The Rooibos serum is great. It has antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal agents in it, which is great for your skin, because most skincare problems come because some little monster is affecting our skin, whether that's stress, bacteria, fungal agents, viral, whatever it is. But this one can go a long way to helping rejuvenate your skin and keeping it whole and healthy, and of course glowing. So anyway, we're putting this bundle together for you. I hope that you guys try it out. I love it. You can mix and match your serums with our lotions, our creams, but use them. I'll talk to you later. Happy glowing.